Hi everyone, Lucia back, and today I have another jewelry jar from Goodwill. I found another one this week, so we're gonna open this one today, and I'm so excited. I'm almost at 50,000 subscribers, so I will have a giveaway soon when I reach 50,000. Probably a jar or two Goodwill jewelry jars, so I'm on a hunt for the giveaway. Yeah, you guys stay tuned, okay? Pretty soon I'll be at 50,000, and this one was $59, so they are a bit pricey. Depends, the days, the Goodwill stores, and also the jars, so it's okay. I'm gonna have fun. I had my AC installed today, so I'm really happy about my AC. Maybe this one is like silver tone, maybe. Let's see. Like an Art Nouveau clips here. Okay. And a pair of hoops. These are silver tone. I do love these ones though. Look how pretty they are. Okay, let me check the backs. Right? Louis Seagull, California. Okay, let me show you how pretty they are. This is tangled. You get the idea, you guys. That's the idea. Okay, very pretty. A nice kind of a rich red and purplish kind of a color. Rhinestones. We have a fleur-de-lis pendant chain necklace, also silver tone, and this one was on a Goodwill, probably showcase. I cannot see the price. Oh my, tingles here. Right, let me see if I can grab the big items first, or the ones that are untangled. Now this is beautiful. Let me put them, I'm gonna move them a little bit on the side. This is glass beads, a very nice long, I'm missing the clasp on this one, and a filigree, very ornate details on the stations here, and I believe these are sterling. Right, isn't this beautiful? A long, very nice one. I love this. It's a long one, so we have it's an eye kind of a design necklace with glass beads. Beautiful turquoise color, matches my nails, right? Okay. A vintage Cleopatra style, also silver tone. This is a collar necklace. Okay, I need to clean that one. Then we have a butterfly brooch, and let me show you this one. Right, I'm missing a cabochon here. These were made to look like stones. I don't have that. Maybe it's in there. Nose. This one is a stretchy, kind of a Brighton looking stretchy bracelet going into the crafting lot. And then this one is a homemade magnetite and probably silver caps. Okay, so testing. This one is another necklace, roll of chain, and we have a key, skeleton key, a Chico's 35 years bold. And a crystal. Okay. And this is a butterfly ring. Okay, that's cool. It is cool. And a pair of earrings here, and I have another pair. These are with these are studs, and look at this one's also glass bead. Okay, alright, and this is in a very good shape. Necklace. It has sparkly pendant here, and a teardrop shape. What else? Another pair of earrings. I see the other one, the mate, here. So we have this and this. Okay. Now this one. Oh my word, you guys, how beautiful it is. Okay. We have pearls, little pearls, cabochons, and I'm trying to show you guys. Okay, maybe I should zoom in a little bit. What do you guys think? No, it's like that. Pretty, like a bridal kind of a necklace. Okay, and I do have some tangles, of course. We always have tangles here. Let me take this one off. It's a pair of hoops. Okay, silver tone. The classic pair of hoops. And two necklaces in here with glass beads. And no, this is one necklace, just one. This is a different one. I don't like that one though. So I'm gonna put them into the crafting lot. This one. Okay. Another pair of earrings I see here. And this one's a stud and post earrings. Okay. Right. Now I'm gonna try my best to untangle them. Another necklace. This one is a Charming Charlie one. Sparkly though. And this is another pair of earrings. Also very sparkly. Rhinestones. Post earrings, these ones. Put them on the other side, because I have more space on my right side. And a vintage rhinestones necklace, black and clear rhinestones, and a little teardrop pendant. That's nice. No name. No name, no problem. A clip-on, a pair of clip-on earrings here. Look at this. They're also sparkly too. And I believe these are also sterling. I think they're marked. Yep. Circle. Geometrical ones. I'll show you like this. Okay. Hammered, like a hammered design. And then we have the stars, or flowers, whatever you want to call them, whatever you want to see. I see stars, maybe you guys see flowers, it's okay. Either or is fine. And we have a mum necklace, pendant. It looks like maybe stainless steel, I believe. Very shiny. Oh, these are pretty too. Sterling hooks and freshwater pearls. Hey, it's coming along, right? Okay, then now right over here, another tangled one. Let me see if I can grab something to help. Like I need a needle or something. One moment. Yeah. Like this. I think this one is, oh, that's so pretty. It has a bee, a heart, a crystal heart with a bee initial on. Okay, and let's check the clasp. I don't see anything on the clasp. Nope. That's the necklace here. And this one, wait a minute, is an anklet with liquid silver, green crystals, and a K. Right, okay. And I think these are without a match, so that's, no, two monkeys here. Okay, ready for Christmas. And another pair of earrings here. I thought they are silver, but I don't think so. They are tarnished though. And these are without a match. We'll come back in a minute. So I see some military. I had one before, one of these bracelets, like the Turkish kind of a design, like 800 silver. I'm missing one cabochon for turquoise stones. This is tangled over there. Let me undo. 3 strands of plastic beads, faceted blues and kind of a seafoam green. Okay, let's take this one out of the way. This one was on the showcase too. The bell 40 has 40 on it, and a very nice chain. Okay, a brooch here, a pin with a woman's face profile, and also rhinestones. No name. That one. I have a Rollo chain. Oh, this is sterling. Yeah, it is 95. It is marked. 1 second, and I will show you. Right. Italy over there. So it's a beautiful one. Rollo chain. Sterling bracelet. Okay. And we have another ring. This is resin, it's not glass. Right. And then these are like 5 strands, like box chain. Necklace, very shiny. And no name on that one. Oh no, there is a name, sorry. Cookie Lee. I have a watch here with a purple background. And more tangles, oh my. So that's the earring over there. We put them all aside. Oh, look at this. Oh, it is broken. It's pretty, but it's broken. This one is a turtle, but it's rusted. So let me show you this one first. Goes like this. It has like this black dangles here, right, and black chain necklace. Okay, this one is a bracelet with 4 turquoise. Okay, we have another statement necklace, light gray flowers, 3 flowers. This was also on the showcase for $4. Okay, this is so pretty too. Citrine, little dangles, 2 dangles over there, a bracelet, and also sterling silver. This one is handmade. Good job, whoever did this is very beautiful. Right, it's supposed to be like this. Okay, and this is another anklet, also handmade, and I have this one on a rope, also handmade. These two here, sorry. Okay, these are plastic beads, stretchy bracelet. Okay, and now no, this is another necklace, also white, kind of a summery faceted plastic beads. And now this one, I really love this one, but I do not have, it's broken, the necklace. Look how pretty the flowers are. So crafting you. Another pair here, earrings, almost the same color like my nails. And a pair of cufflinks, actually more cufflinks over there. They're very nice. Dusty blue, dusty blue. This one is a W in my opinion, and this one is an E. Right, this and this. I see the other E over there. Okay, the cufflinks. Sorry. Okay, right. Oh, another pair. I saw. Oh, see, these ones, they're going with the necklace, right? Yep. But I do not have the stone, the missing stone. I do not. Okay. A hair clip, that's pretty. Then, no, these are not a match, never mind. These are also not a match. Okay, this one. Let's see if we have any other ones. And these ones are pretty too. Okay, post, and these are, I'm missing the hook on that one. Oh, and I see the bear. Look at the bear, the Native American fetish earrings. I love them. Okay, stones. And I have another pair. Also beautiful and sparkly. Right. Shells, stars, and a pin with Santa. And I saw a pendant too here an Avon one. Okay, have another one of those flowers. This one is a ring, wavy, kind of a scroll design, sterling. It's nice too. I'll show you. It's a bit tarnished, but it's marked inside. Whereas, and another ring, this one is adjustable, a flip-flop. Okay, and what else? The Millefiori now. Do I have a pair in here? I do not. I don't think so, right? I have all these Millefiori beads. Oh, this is a nice one. It's a pendant, a heart. And then this has all these Millefiori beads. This one too. And then the glass ones without a match. Right. They're pretty. No, I have one match. These ones. Sorry. These two. And on a sterling post. A dolphin and a pin, a cloisonné pin here. Another pair of cufflinks, vintage looking ones. Okay, and I think that's it. I don't see the other ones that are a match. They match. No, all this I don't. No, 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 no. Not a match, or maybe no, these two. Okay, the rhinestones ones. Okay, and that's it. So these are, I have the hook here. This is a nice one, a sterling with a little pearl, but I don't have the match. So these are going to go into the crafting pile. Where is my crafting pile? Over here. And yeah, let's see. I love this one. Right, where is, I had the bracelet. Am I missing the stone? Yeah, I have the stone here. Okay, not bad. So I'm saving that one for later. And then, so this one, oh, it's gorgeous. And also this one, if I untangle the turtle from the, okay. Let's see what I have on my left side. The bell. Oh, this is beautiful too. I like that one, the heart. And then over here we have the sterling silver ones. This, the pearls, the mom necklace, and the bears. Look at the bears, how pretty they are. And these ones too with the glass. Oh. These ones too. What about the colorful ones? Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. I think. Oh no, this one is nice too. Also the black and clear rhinestones. Yeah. Checking to see if there is anything over there on my right side. Nothing. Okay. I think that's it. Right. Okay. You guys let me know which one was your favorite. I think this is my favorite today because I haven't seen anything like this. The filigree, the silver, the filigree, and also the beads. This is my favorite, okay? And I would love to know which one was your favorite. And I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. You take care. Bye bye.